Hi, fourth grade parents. My name is Tom Beggs. I'll be your child's math teacher this year. So once a day, I'll be going over to their classroom from fifth grade to teach them math, while Mrs. Werfeling comes over to my fifth grade classroom to teach the fifth graders English. So this is a wonderful opportunity for me to start to get to know the fourth graders before they come to fifth grade full time. And it's an exciting time for me to be able to start to develop those relationships, get to know them as a student, get to know them personally, and just to interact with them. So just to tell you a little bit about who I am, this is my 17th year here at Pvca, my 21st year teaching, and I have been teaching here, doing the same things, fourth and fifth grade for all that time, and I taught middle school in Pennsylvania before that. I graduated from Cairn University, which was Philadelphia Biblical University at the time, back in Pennsylvania. That's where I started teaching after that. And there I met my wife, and we've been married for 20 years. And I'm a sports guy. I'm also like gardening, and I have two children, 10 and 11, two girls. And math is actually my favorite subject. So that works out really well that I get to teach that twice a day. So let me tell you a little bit about what to expect in fourth grade math this year. We're going to have homework pretty much every night during the week, not so much on the weekends. But unless there's a test or quiz, you should probably expect, except for a rare occasion, for there to be homework each night. So we're going to be working a lot with math facts, making sure the kids are firm on those. We'll be continuing with reflex math, like those students who have been here have been doing. So they'll be spending some time doing that. Some information will be coming out about that sometime in the weeks ahead. And the subjects that we'll be talking about in math, starting with place value, we'll do a little bit of review with addition and subtraction. Not a whole lot, but as they're pretty good with that by now, but we'll do a little review with that. We'll get into decimals this year, probably for the first time for most of them. We'll also do fraction work. There'll be some geometry work as well. Multiplication, both with math facts and with larger problems with multi-digits that they'll be multiplying. And we'll do long division as well. Most of them, that'll be their first exposure to long division. And so we'll guide them through that. And it's one of those things that's kind of tricky at first because it's many steps. But once we're patient with it and they work through it, they usually get it pretty well after several days. And then they can feel that accomplishment of like, hey, wow, this was a big thing that I was able to do. And they can feel good about that. And it's great to have them overcome those challenges. In math, there's sometimes, especially things like long division, where some of the kids will get it like really quickly, and then others just need a little more time, and that's perfectly normal. And I really try to encourage that in the classroom and emphasize that there's really no reason to be down on yourself or to put other people down when it comes to some people getting it quickly and others not. It's perfectly normal, and should just accept that and just do our best, and that's what's important. That's in general the things that we'll be learning in fourth grade. And please reach out to me if you have any questions. My phone is the best way to reach me, but you can also reach me by email anytime that you want. But the phone will be the faster way, especially if you need a question answered for work that particular night. Please feel free to text or call me at 508-243-7312. If it's something that you don't need an immediate answer, feel free to email me at tbeggs@pvcama.org. If you have any questions along the way, please reach out. Look forward to working with you this year. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.